This course covers using the Cloudberry app to upload courses to Amazon Cloud for delivery to customers. You will need to download and install the Cloudberry Explorer before starting. Cloudberry is free, however there is a paid pro version. We'll use the free version for this lesson. We are going to use the Cloudberry Explorer for Amazon S3 to upload a course for a client. We'll assume that you added an icon to Cloudberry Explorer on your desktop. This will be added if you use the defaults when installing Cloudberry. Open the Cloudberry Explorer for Amazon S3 by double-clicking on the icon. The Cloudberry Explorer for Amazon S3 window opens to the last place you were in Cloudberry. Your containers will be on the left and your computer files on the right. You can switch that if desired. If this is the first time you've used Cloudberry and Amazon, you will not have the containers set up yet. You can set them up using the blue square icon in the menu bar. The names must be unique. There is usually an advertisement message at the top. Click the X button to close this message. If this is the first time you are in Cloudberry, you'll need to set up and choose your Amazon S3 as the source. Open the menu if the left side is not displaying files. In this case I just select my CyberTrain S3 account. You only need to do this once. The next time you open Cloudberry, your S3 account will be saved as the source. Now we'll open one of our containers that we set up previously. Navigate to the desired folder. If a folder doesn't exist, create it. Double-click the desired folder to open it. We are going to update a file. In this case it's a zip course to load in an LMS. But first, we'll delete the old one. Then, we'll upload the new file. Now, click the delete icon. A confirmation message displays. Select the Yes button to confirm the delete action. Navigate to the appropriate location to find the file on your computer to upload. Select the file you want to upload to Amazon by clicking once on it. While holding down the left mouse button, drag the file over to the Amazon side of the screen, and then let go to start the copy action. If you receive a confirm message, select Yes to continue. Your file will start uploading. Depending on the size of the file, this could take a while, and the file is now on Amazon. Now, you need to give the file some permission so that it can be accessed by other people. After selecting the file or files to add permissions, click the ACL settings icon. Optionally, you can use the object properties icon, which is just to the left of the ACL settings, to do the same thing. The ACL settings window opens. Now, it's time to select your permissions. To select all permissions in a row, click the first box for that row. That is a full control button. I suggest only doing that for authenticated users. I only give that permission to my internal staff. For all other users that I want to access this file or course, I give read permissions only. There are 2 read permissions to grant. Select the Apply for all subfolders and files checkbox for zipped files or if you are giving permissions to a folder. Then, click the OK button to apply the permissions. You need to add permissions to every file in your course if it is a published course that is not zipped for download. Next, we'll create the link for this file. If this were a published, unzipped HTML5 course, we would just create a link to the index file to launch the course. Click the web URL icon. There are several types of links you can create to share your files. You can expire the link at a specific date, or create a link that exists forever. You can also create what is called a chupit link. This is a short link that does not give the full URL. It is more secure, but some systems block that type of link. So, be careful to verify that your link went through when using that type of link. We are going to select the expire URL at specified date checkbox. Then, just select a date. Click the next button to go to the next month. Click to select the desired date. Now you could just generate the link. But, we'll use the short URL feature. Now, we'll click the Generate button. Then, just click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the link. You'll also want to test it yourself before sending. To do that, click the Open link, and our link opened correctly. In this case, it was a zipped file so it is asking us to save the file. If it were a published course that was not zipped, you would have just created a link to the index file and when you open that file, it would run the course in your browser. We don't need to save the file ourselves, so we will click the Cancel button. Now we can close this window. Next, we'll open an email to send the link to our client. Fill out your email. Then add the link. Now add the subject. Now, add the message to your client. This is where you will add the course link and any instructions for your customer. Normally, that will include information on how to access the course for reviews and how you would like to receive the review comments. I usually ask the client to include the lesson title and page number with each review comment. Optionally, you could include a Word version of your course from Captivate for the client to write their edits on. If this is a delivery of a course, it should include instruction on how to download the course and then upload it into the client's LMS. Next, we'll add in that link that we copied earlier. I'm using Outlook. Your email system may be slightly different, but the process is the same. This is where we paste our link. Then, click the OK button. Now, it's time to send our email. And that's it for uploading a file to Amazon and sending the link to the customer to use to download your course. That's it for this topic. Thanks for watching. If you would like to hire us to purchase one of our courses, or have us create a custom course for you, contact us at the email address shown or via our website.